Hey Avery, what's your vision?
I have 2022 vision. Oh wait, no, that's the year. No, yeah, I have 2020 vision. But I don't need glasses, but I think they would look cute.
No, I mean your vision for your career as an artist.
Oh, yes, of course.
Can you share it with me?
Yeah, my vision is that I want to give things to people that, want art. I want to create for them. Yeah, no, I don't have a mission.
I cannot stress enough how important it is for you as an artist to have a vision for your art career. Your vision is a beacon that will keep you on course through every decision you make as the owner of your art business. It is the grandiose dream you have for your work as an artist if you had zero limitations on what you could do. Your vision should feel way outside your comfort zone, so much that it makes you feel uncomfortable every time you think of it. The reason for this is because when there are no limits on what you wish you could accomplish, your subconscious mind automatically starts working on ways to make it happen. As a result, your mind stays engaged, excited, and motivated to figure out how to make it a reality. Sarah Blakely, the inventor of Spanx and one of the most successful entrepreneurs on earth, had a vision: to make every woman in the world feel comfortable in her own skin. Bill Gates' vision for Microsoft when he first started the company was to put a computer in every home in the world. When you create the perfect vision for you and your art business, incredible things will happen for you. Every decision you make will guide and propel you toward your vision, as it still does with both Sarah and Bill today. Nothing is truly out of your reach, and as a business owner, you need to set the parameters to the highest of ideals in order to have a clear path to follow. Every successful art business owner has a vision. There is no telling what can happen to your business day to day based on natural occurrences of life that we can't control. Life brings about the kinds of changes and interruptions that can't be controlled, but definitely need to be dealt with. As an employee, these rarely affect you when you work for a company. The vision of any company enables the owner and all those who work for the company to understand exactly why they're working each day to keep the company growing and expanding. Without a vision, no one will be able to get onto the same page, especially you as the owner. So, how do you create your vision? There is only one way to establish the vision for your business, and that is to allow yourself to think big, outside of your current comfort zone. But by thinking big, you allow yourself to set the kind of parameters that give you something to work towards at all times. There will be a way to harness this grandiose vision, so don't worry about thinking too big. In fact, the bigger, the better. There is literally no limit on how big you can go with this exercise. So the question is, what would you do with your art if you had zero limitations whatsoever? Share your ideas in the comments below. I absolutely cannot wait to hear from you and continue this very important and exciting discussion.